Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery in a Ford Flex. Those fun long boxy cars. I think they're kind of cool. And this is used from 2013 to 2019. It'd probably help if I actually wrote that up here correctly. 2013 to 2019. So if your fob looks like this is how you change the battery. So the first thing you want to do is flip this over. You can see there's a little latch on the back here. Now what this does is this releases this internal valet key. So if you pull that down towards you here, you'll be able to pull out this valet key. And to get access to the battery, we need to separate this backing from the rest of the fob. So the easiest way I've found to do is actually just take the valet key and kind of pry apart this back a little bit. You'll start to get some separation. You can see some clicking there in between these two parts, and then you can just kind of keep working a little bit and you'll be able to click off this back here. Okay, so once you've gotten that, don't worry about the circuit board side, just set that aside for now. The battery that we need to change is actually on this backing here. You can see there's this metal piece here that holds the contact points in place. Make sure that that piece doesn't come out when you're removing this internal battery. So if you have a paper clip or a small flathead screwdriver, you can get in and just pop this guy out. And the battery inside is a CR2032 3-volt coin battery. So once you have a new one of these, when you're putting this back in, just make sure that the lettering is face down away from you, so the positive side has the lettering on it, and so you want the negative side facing you. And I have the new battery in there, and then this just clicks back into place, make sure everything snaps back in like so. Replace the valet key, and there you go. That's how you change the key fob battery for the Ford Flex 2013-2019. And again, it's a CR 2032 3-volt battery.